Morning, everyone. It's 8:24, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1522. And I haven't asked lately, but you really should hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and the notification bell. It's very supportive of my efforts. Okay, so Asia's mixed. Europe is slightly higher. Our markets are very quiet. We've been down a little. We've been up a little. The last move was back to the downside at 8:15 when the ADP numbers came out, uh, showing still, even in the private sector, strong rises. Added 239,000 jobs, which was versus an expectation of about 195. Um, Mostly leisure and hospitality. But their survey also brought up the fact that people who were staying in jobs, their pay was up 7.7% year over year, and 13% for people who were changing jobs. So we'll have to see what our numbers look like on Friday. Let's see. Match up $6.39 at 50.29, up 14%, and that's on their slight miss, but more signups. Okay, Airbnb beat, but gave so guidance 102.48 down 657 or 6%. CVS beat, it's not doing anything. I think it's up 60 cents because versus their beat, they also are settling opioid issues for 5 billion. Estee Lauder, a big miss. This is one of Kramer's favorites and talks about how great everything is in China. um, Chinese numbers were horrendous. Stock is 185.11. That's down 20.66, or a solid 10%. GlaxoSmithKline was a beat. Uh, Nothing too impressive, up 59 cents. AMD, another Kramer favorite. I remember him on TV a couple of months ago with Lisa Su, the CEO, saying, absolutely, you buy it right here. That was at 97. The stock is up 314 this morning at 62.80. So nothing overwhelming there. Okay, the chart on the screen is Bitcoin. And, it really looks like it's trying to make a bottom here. The last time we saw this kind of action was in here. That was 5,000. So, I've been mentioning lately one of the technical analysis adages, which is you don't sell a quiet market after a decline. This is a decline, substantial, and this is very quiet. So I don't know how much longer it's going to take before it turns up, but the 5 week is about to go through the 20. Um, Clearly, nothing's going to happen until we get, over the 25,000 range. But, 18 to 25 is pretty substantial. It only looks like a little move on this chart because of the amount of time that's on it. Let's take a look at the daily. Same situation. Gapped to the downside through 30,000 and has now spent June, July, August, September, October, 5 months going sideways. And, it looks to me like it's going to be higher. You can play BITO, which is the Bitcoin ETF, which has options, or any of the names, MARA, um, Riot, any of them. Okay, rest of the futures. Oil is up a little, I believe. Let's get back there. Oil is up 14 cents. This is a very quiet morning in everything ahead of the Fed numbers. Gold is back at yesterday's high, up $11. Silver up 16 cents. Copper holding yesterday's gain really well. S&P's now showing, well, Dow is showing down 51. NASDAQ is showing basically down 5, and the S&P is also sharply unchanged, up about 3. All right, everyone, have a good morning. Be careful out there. It's Fed Day.